OKRs framework? Well, OKRs stand for objective and key result. This goal setting framework helps team establish clearly defined objectives as goals and then break down the goals into relevant and measurable key results and milestones to track the progress. The OKR framework was originally created at Intel and then adapted by Google, Twitter, Netflix, and other tech companies. Due to its cascading nature from company level goals to department level execution, OKRs are often compared to or used with the waterfall development methodology. Therefore, this approach is more likely to be adopted by an enterprise level company. OKR is a popular goal management framework that helps companies implement and execute strategy. The benefits of the framework include a better focus on results that matter, increased transparency, and better strategic alignment. OKRs achieve this by organizing employees and the work they do around achieving common objectives. So, what is an objective? An objective is a description of something that you'd like to achieve in the future. An objective sets the direction, like a destination to a map. On a map, objectives shouldn't be technical and shouldn't contain a metric so that everyone understands where to go. Examples of objectives can be crush the competition through acquisitions, be a top place to work in the US, optimize the sales funnel to close more deals in less time, create a more goal oriented culture, empower our support team to be more self sufficient. Let's see what is a key result. A key result is a measurable outcome required to achieve the objective. It contains a metric with a start and target value. Key results measure progress towards the objective, like a signpost that shows how close you are to your objective. The example of key results can be acquired three small players in our industry, reached top 10 in Fortune 100 best places to work, increased opportunity win rate from 12% to 20%. 100% of the employees are contributing to an OKR. Reduced ticket escalation by 15%. OKRs give every team and individual a sense of direction and accomplishment. But there are also a reason to say no to things that fall outside of the scope of the OKRs. If every team creates their OKRs as if these were the only things they will be working on that quarter or that fiscal, it will ensure a successful OKR program whilst helping the organization realize its strategy.